finally got my breakfast, guys. Look at that. I got eggs, baked beans, and a ham, sausage, and an itty bitty bit of bacon. Ham toast. Okay. Itty bitty. Yeah. Hello la. Then I find la bang on the king. But all the camera on the side mine. Okay.
That's pretty cool. They
I know it's gonna be a lot of fuzzy noise. Okay. Guys. Yeah. Breakfast wait. Sorry about the breezy. And it's all there. Yeah. Okay. Now I'm gonna move this please. I'll just at least push it back a bit so my viewers can at least see a little bit of my breakfast. Yeah, say no mai ku fa be ma ai ha. Yeah, ku fa be ma ai wait rồi. Mua sai me na ku. Okay. So I'll eat the itty bitty little bacon first, okay? I need to buy my toast. Hang on, guys. Hang on, my toast. My slave. Yeah, my butter. I got half cast butter and half cast toast. White, brown. Yeah. The brown side, so I'll butter it. You know, laughing on the side? It's my spectator. Wait a minute. Yeah, joke my
Then we went to food court. Fair. Fair? Where did you go?
to Pico.
Oh, did you? Yeah, we were walking up and down looking, then it started raining, then we went up to the, after we got our phone, did you say, where's the phone? I did. Number
I gave you my sister to hold.
We got a number now, so people are going to call us.
You rubbed your hand all over it.
Give me the phone. I will take it.
Oh, I need that one.
Mark, I need it. If anyone calls, say leave a message.
Someone's waving at us.
Oh, the courses are like really hard to call.
Do you use the oxygen message?
Oh.
Oh, why la wo kong mo umay na? Why la wo kong umay? He's there now.
This food is at the Millennia Hotel.
Yeah?
It's very busy here, guys.
Oh, so he's in Kukuwila.
Right.
Wala yung Kukuwila kemi ni. Afia kale ako.
Sausage again. White, but listen, it's still edible, so don't
everybody's
about my sausage.
Yeah. On the 20th, starting from tomorrow. So yeah, it will make our age.
Nice sausage. This is like what we used to eat as kids.
Oh, we'll eat and we'll wait.
The flavour, like lunch.
We'll go on to it.
Oh, yeah, those sausages. I think it's the same as Tisha's, or different. I mean, what is it again?
Not.
Oh, it's a
Deluxe
different
burger.
meal.
Deluxe burger.
Did you get a deluxe meal? Or that's a different one? Yeah, we got a deluxe one. And her breakfast makes me hungry. Oh, yum. Ifia.
Oh, my poor mum. She'll be alright. They'll look after her.
Are you serious?
Okay. Another.
What are you going to do?
Another egg glaze. And
yeah,
I've got a bit of ham.
Because you know how it's breezy.
Can I put the ham on it?
Why not? Why isn't the paper working? Ale ko ni ele vai ekipi ai la ko. Are you serious? Yeah.
I'm trying to stay. If we stay here, I'll be here.
What background
If you
noise?
do the all heads up, you'll cry, bro. Last night, I did so much just to get a call,
Me, man, that's shocking.
Anyways.
They can hear us recording as we pick a colour.
No, my fault you guys are doing that.
We didn't mention any names, so that's alright. Scratch my back mark on the left, please. On the left.
Scratch my back when I'm recording.
They stay. Yeah. Yeah, that'll be alright. Yeah, that's why I said to them, e o mai mo Samoa mo for whanga. They feed them, my kids, and then they can stay in Kawhauke and swim. No, I'm waiting for to go to pay my bill, my Vodafone bills. They're going to cut me off and I'm going to fingers because my bill's due now. And look, students said forever to bloody connect me, what the hell?
So busy here, guys. My wig's gonna fly off, but don't be shocked. Just ignore it. Want a bit of bacon? Look, remember I said minty?
How did you keep him like
Because none of them are bored, is it?
what did they do?
I love a bit of bacon on it.
Well, over here, over there.
No, we
Oh yeah,
just
so that's a big one.
walk around and
Okay.
go in the water.
I have a taste of this.
That's why he goes, Mum, do you so I said, no, wait till everybody
What
arrives
tissue
and you have more fun.
Anyway, guys,
Oh, you
baked
just
beans,
sad. You said it's so short.
been warmed up.
Stays like a hotel.
I reckon.
Little
You
bit.
got Julie to hang up. No, you can't. I'm
It's already
loading.
anti-social, bro.
Nah, he's a
Well, LA after he come, remember the last one's like see, you got your cousins over there.
They always ask
Yeah,
for Kyrie.
there's more boys than Kyrie or Myra. They ask for Myra, eh?
They asked for Kyrie, but I know it's Myra. That they're
Oh.
asking for because she came to the last reunion.
Yeah, Myra came the last
Where's
year.
Kyrie, even the girls,
Yeah, they speak English. They're your fella's age. You
and the
still go
boys,
and
they're
hang out.
not like Sydney boys. They're not very.
Yeah,
Just don't joke around too much because then that's when they fight you.
yeah, they'll mock you. They'll mock
What?
you. They're mocks.
This is a night drink, guys. Night drink.
Yummy. Stop it.
Yeah, you
Finish
should
the
have come
song.
outside.
Yeah.
Can they like hurry up,
They
man?
always work. Yeah.
I'm saving my milkshake just for that.
Yeah, you should come tomorrow and.
I'm facing the sea.
Yeah.
Because the random
So
kids
nice.
from the village.
What's
here.
oh, yeah, that's okay. That's
ages
Saturday.
ago, like years ago.
Tomorrow's Sunday.
Some
That's
kids
when
are
Sabbath.
picking up
You're not
for you
allowed to
younger
swim
than
in the
you.
Yeah,
pool.
and he just so easy. I'm like, okay.
Tomorrow you're not allowed to swim in the pool.
Yeah, he
Go
gave it
to
to me.
church.
He's like,
Why
he-
not go to church?
So,
Should go to
I
church.
woke up this morning and all I wanted to eat was toast.
How are you going to learn if you're not going
they
to...
pray for hours. And that's only one person.
You going to church, Julie? Tomorrow?
No.
So we should go over there. What time tomorrow?
So I got my toast.
And if there's anything open to buy something for the kongai? Yeah, Faye, kongai kaya out,
There's
eh?
no Vegemite.
Yesterday when we were at the market, I bought breadfruit.
Oh, nice.
Ew.
We should buy something for the kongai tomorrow, Faye. And you
was
can
a
do your
fly.
mukbang, whatever. Your mukbang tomorrow. Kongai.
Shut up, all the
Tomorrow.
noise you can hear on the side.
Yeah,
Come
it's
here.
like yeah.
Yeah, you can do your Faye and
And your
and
cell.
luau and all that stuff on your
Can't hear my
mukbang.
feet.
And your cell.
Yeah, in the
What's that?
cell. Ooh.
We in the village.
Yeah.
Hey, look at that ship. Look at that ship over there. Oh, take a photo.
Yeah, on the photo.
Hold on, guys.
Okay.
Well, just a bit of ham.
No, but if they come here, I always beautiful like
Hold on, guys.
Because I didn't eat like
There's a bit of butter left.
Yeah, same here. I didn't eat the hot stuff, but
I've been finished.
I eat your shit.
I did a little bit of egg. What's this?
eating.
Bit of taste.
Because the kids,
Because I can not eat for like
they don't.
ages.
So guys,
Can,
what do you think?
Yeah,
I
you
did
can
well.
just eat without the last skin in.
Yeah.
Yeah. Because they used to
go
like
in
dip
the
it.
car
And
and
I'm just gonna go like, yo,
Cheers, guys.
stay out there, look
Cut
what
off
you
a
want.
bump.
Or like all the guys are looking through the window and I was like,